Hello friends, hope all of you fine. Welcome to CADCAMCAE tutorials. In this video, we will see CATIA practice design 28. Now we are in part design workbench, and in this video we will design these parts. Okay, uh, for designing these parts, we will design this base plate. After that, we will design this taper block, and after that, we will design the rib. Okay, so initially we will design this base plate. We will check the overall dimensions. So the 120 is length, 70 is width, and height is 15. Okay, so just click on the sketch, click on this plane. Okay, so click on this center rectangle and click on the center point. Okay, so you will give the dimensions. For that purpose, just double click on the constraint, give these dimensions. It is 120 and this is 70. Yeah, I'm right. This is 120 and this is 70, and thickness is 15. So for that purpose, just click on the exit workbench and click on the pad. Here is a pad command is with us, and give its thickness is 15. Okay, so this plate we have made, and one more thing is remaining. We have fillet of R15. For that purpose, we have here command edge plate. So click on this edge plate command, select this line and this line and give it 15. Okay, so we have designed a base plate. Okay, we'll remove this material at this end. Okay, after that we'll design this taper block. For that purpose, check the dimensions. Top dimensions is 80, bottom dimension is 50, and height is 55. So for that purposes, and this block is placed or position, the position of this block is on this space. Okay, for that purposes, click on this sketch, click on this face, click on fit all in. So to make the orientation, and now we will design this part. So initially we will draw one approximate profile. So like this. Yeah, put it Control Z and close it. Okay, this is horizontal. Actually it is not horizontal. We will make this correction. For that purpose, just click on this line, and here is command constraint defined in dialog box. Click on it and click on the horizontal. Okay, so we have known the dimensions. So for that purposes, we will give the dimensions. So click on the constraint, select this line and select this line. It is of 55. Okay, and bottom is 50 and top is 80. For that purpose, again click on the constraint. Top is 80. It is 80. Initially Control Z. So initially what we will do, we will just give its bottom dimension. It is 50. Okay, it is 50 means click on this constraint, this point to this axis, it is 25. Okay, otherwise you can give the symmetry also like this. Select this point, press Control, select this point and this axis, and click on and symmetry. So like that you can also give no problem. We have two methods. Again, what is this? This dimension is 80, and click on this line, press Ctrl, click on this line, constraint defined dialog box, and coincident. Okay, so like that we have to make the sketch. Now just click on this exit workbench, and what is the pad? It is of, if you observe the top view, it is of 40. So just click on this pad command, select this sketch, and enter the dimension 40 and reverse. Okay, now if you observe, we have made the taper block. Okay, after that we will make the rib which is on both side and on this face, on this side of face. Okay, for that purposes, again click on this sketch, click on this face, fit all in. If your sketch or your object is disturbed, then just click on fit all in and normal view. So your sketch or your object will be at home position. Okay, we'll draw one rib. To make the rib, we will take the reference of both line, so this and this. So for that purposes, to take the reference, just click on the project 3D element and click on this line. Again click on project 3D element and click on this line, and click on this profile command, and close this point and this point. Okay, so like that, exit workbench. And what is the thickness of that rib? It is of 10. Click on this pad, click on this line, and it is of 10, reverse direction. Okay, now we have drawn the rib. Again we'll make this rib mirror to other side. For that purposes, pad 3 is of rib, so click on pad 3, click on this mirror and give the center plane and click on OK. So now if you observe, we have drawn all the part. Okay, so like that. Now we'll remove this material. We'll see, initially we will remove this bottom material. Okay, so what is the total length? So it is of, if you observe, thickness is 5 and total length, this is 20, this is 20, and this is 180. 180 minus 20 minus 20, so it comes up to 80. Okay, for that purposes, click on sketch, click on this face. Okay, and take the center rectangle. Okay, and draw one profile having length 80. For that purpose, click on constraint and give this dimension as a 80. Click on the constraint, click on this line and this dimension as a 5. Click on this line, press Ctrl, click on this line, go to the constraint defining dialog box and make it coincidence. Okay, okay, we have made the sketch. Okay, so exit the workbench, click on the pocket. Here is pocket command. Give the dimensions up to last and click on OK. So like that we have drawn the pocket. Next, what is remaining? This material is remaining. It is of R25 at the center and top. Okay. So for that purpose, again click on sketch, click on this face. Okay. So click on the circle and it is of R25. Just double click on it and give the dimension 25. And this point, press Ctrl, this line, coincidence, constraint defining dialog box, and here is coincidence. Okay. Okay. So now exit the workbench and pocket, click on the pocket, and here is up to last and click on OK. Okay, we have removed the material also. Okay, next what is remaining? We have one hole is remaining, which is at a distance 15 from one side and on the center line. For that purpose, just click on the hole command. Hole command is with us. So click on this hole command. On the hole is on this face. So click on this face. Click on the positioning sketch. And we have to just orient this point. So click on this point, press Ctrl, click on this axis, here constraint dependent dialog box and coincident. Okay, and from this edge it is 15. So click on this constraint, click on this point and click on this line. It is of 15, 15. Okay, now click on the exit workbench and what is whole dimension? It is a 10 and up to last. Click on OK. Okay, so like that we have designed this part. Okay, thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel to get all latest videos. Thank you.